The stock market does not reward excitement. It rewards clarity, patience, and understanding. Every day, people enter the market with different mindsets, but only one mindset consistently survives and grows. There are two types of people in the market. Some behave like gamblers, chasing quick money and reacting to every move. Others think like sharks, calm, prepared, and logical. A shark does not rush. A shark observes, studies, asks questions, and then decides whether to invest or stay out. A gambler focuses on price movement. A shark focuses on the business behind the price. Because when you buy a stock, you are not buying numbers on a screen. You are becoming a partial owner of a company. Stock prices move daily due to emotions and news, but businesses grow through revenue, profit, and demand. Over time, strong businesses reflect their value in the stock price. That is why, before investing, a shark asks simple but powerful questions. What does this company sell? Who buys its products or services? How does it make money? Can this business survive in the long term? If the business logic is weak, price movement becomes meaningless. A gambler believes what they hear. A shark questions what they see. Before investing, sharks challenge the idea itself. Is the growth real or temporary? Are profits improving or are only sales numbers rising? Is the company dependent on debt? What can go wrong in this business? Every investment has risk. Questioning does not reduce opportunity, it reduces loss. If these answers are unclear, the smartest decision is to wait or reject the investment. Capital protection always comes before profit. Every person carries knowledge from their profession, and a shark uses that knowledge. A gambler ignores it. A doctor understands healthcare demand and quality. An IT professional understands technology and software trends. A business owner understands margins, cash flow, and competition. A retail worker understands consumer behavior. Your industry knowledge helps you identify real growth and fake hype faster. Familiarity reduces mistakes. Invest where you understand the business. If you don't understand it, you don't need to invest in it. A gambler searches for tips. A shark searches for information. Today, everything is available. Company reports, financial data, industry trends, management interviews, and government policies. Tips create emotional decisions. Information creates confident decisions. Knowledge makes you responsible for your results. If you don't know why you invested in a stock, you are depending on luck, not logic. A gambler bets everything on one idea. A shark spreads risk across multiple ideas. A shark invests in buckets, stable companies for safety, growing companies for wealth creation, high-risk ideas with limited capital, and cash for future opportunities. No business is perfect. Markets are unpredictable. Diversification protects both money and mindset. One wrong decision should never wipe out your entire capital. Not every opportunity deserves money. A gambler feels pressure to act. A shark is comfortable waiting. The market will always offer new opportunities. Forced decisions lead to regret. Patience is a financial skill. Sometimes, doing nothing is the best decision. The stock market is not a shortcut to wealth. It is a long-term wealth-building system for disciplined thinkers. Avoid gambling behavior, chasing tips, following hype, and investing without understanding. Adopt the shark mindset. Study before investing. Ask tough questions. Use your real-world knowledge. Manage risk wisely. And invest only when logic is clear. Move with patience. Think with clarity. Invest.